Welcome back to Demolition Worker. Today, we face the ultimate high-tech challenge, the massive Airbus A350 passenger jet aircraft. If the previous Boeing model was a carbon challenge, this mighty A350 is an incredibly complex blend of advanced materials. It combines tough composite layers with a super light lithium aluminum alloy, creating a structure that resists extreme physical forces. This unique metal combination is highly durable and stubbornly resists any form of deformation, making our demolition job extremely difficult. To conquer this modern beast, we brought in a brand new piece of heavy machinery designed for this exact purpose. I will show you the absolute power of this next-generation excavator equipped with a massive hydraulic shear attachment. This specialized tool features cutting edges made from artificial diamond, ensuring it can slice through the toughest aerospace-grade materials. Watch closely as the giant hydraulic jaws clamp down and begin to crush the rigid outer frame of the aircraft. The sound echoing across the yard is not the usual cracking of wood, but the sharp clanging of future metals. Every powerful bite of the machine sends intense vibrations through the air, revealing the true strength of this flying giant. The secret behind this incredible resistance lies hidden deep inside the external shell, within a very complex internal honeycomb structure. This brilliant engineering design makes the airplane incredibly lightweight for flight, while remaining exceptionally rigid against immense external atmospheric pressure. Seeing these massive A350 wings being forcefully snapped apart really helps you understand the sheer difficulty of modern aviation demolition. Breaking down such advanced aircraft is not just a simple physical task. It requires immense financial investment and high technology. What we are witnessing right now is truly a magnificent display of peak mechanical power against advanced human aerospace engineering. The artificial diamond blades easily slice through the initial composite layers, but the inner lithium aluminum alloy puts up resistance. Sparks fly wildly into the air as the heavy steel jaws grind against the exceptionally tough metallic skeleton of the plane. We must carefully dismantle the fuselage section by section to ensure the valuable materials can be properly sorted and recycled. This process feels like a brutal battle between the strongest machine ever built and the most advanced aircraft ever designed. The operator skillfully maneuvers the massive hydraulic arm, targeting the structural weak points along the main body of the aircraft. Huge chunks of the external composite shell fall heavily onto the concrete ground, creating a loud thud that echoes everywhere. Our dedicated team constantly monitors the hydraulic pressure levels to guarantee the shear operates at its maximum crushing capacity today. Every single piece of lithium aluminum alloy recovered from this site will be melted down and reused for future industries. The sheer scale of this demolition project requires absolute precision, immense patience, and an incredibly deep understanding of aerospace structures. Look closely at the exposed cross-section of the wing, where the intricate honeycomb pattern is now clearly visible to us. This honeycomb design absorbs impact energy perfectly, which explains why the hydraulic shear struggles slightly before breaking the tough material. Dust thickens the air as the relentless machine continues its path of destruction along the massive spine of the airplane. The diamond-coated blades prove their worth by maintaining their sharp edge despite cutting through miles of reinforced aerospace metals. Dismantling an Airbus A350 is a rare spectacle that highlights the rapid evolution of both aviation manufacturing and heavy demolition. We approach the thickest part of the wing root, where the toughest aerospace-grade materials are densely held together securely. The excavator engine roars loudly as it channels extra hydraulic fluid into the shear, preparing for a tremendously powerful bite. With a deafening metallic screech, The giant wing root finally yields to the immense pressure applied by our heavy machine. You can clearly see the twisted metal fibers and shattered composite layers hanging from the jaws of the hydraulic shear. This level of destruction is necessary to separate the different valuable components embedded deeply within the advanced structure of the plane. Recycling these future materials helps reduce environmental impact and provides essential raw resources for manufacturing the next generation of aircraft. The operator carefully rotates the shear attachment, finding the perfect angle to slice through the reinforced titanium joints and bolts. Each successful cut produces a shower of bright sparks, illuminating the dark interior of the partially destroyed passenger cabin area. The contrast between the elegant aerodynamic design of the A350 and the brutal force of the excavator is truly striking. We are slowly reducing a marvel of modern engineering into a massive pile of carefully sorted scrap metal and composites. The lithium aluminum alloy panels are surprisingly light when picked up, yet they offer incredible resistance against the crushing jaws. Our crew works systematically from the tail section towards the nose, ensuring the giant structure remains stable during the process. The vertical stabilizer is the next target, requiring the operator to extend the hydraulic arm to its absolute maximum reach. As the shear bites into the tail, the entire fuselage shudders violently, protesting against the unstoppable force of the machine. The artificial diamond blades slice through the thick carbon fiber reinforced plastic like a hot knife cutting through solid butter. Inside the cabin, the remaining overhead bins and floor panels are crushed instantly as the massive jaws close together tightly. The complex wiring and insulation materials are carefully pulled apart by the machine, revealing the bare metallic skeleton underneath them. It takes years of experience to operate such a powerful machine with the delicate precision required for this specific task. The unique clanging sound of the lithium aluminum alloy being torn apart continues to echo loudly across the demolition site. We must constantly clear the debris from the working area to allow the heavy excavator to maneuver safely and efficiently. The sheer volume of material recovered from a single Airbus A350 is absolutely staggering, filling dozens of large transport trucks. Every inch of this aircraft was designed to withstand extreme forces in the sky, making it incredibly stubborn on the ground. The hydraulic shear applies hundreds of tons of crushing force, slowly overcoming the structural integrity of the advanced fuselage design. Watching the massive sections of the plane collapse under the weight of the machine is a truly awe-inspiring sight. The artificial diamond cutting edges are inspected regularly to ensure they remain sharp enough to handle the tough aerospace materials. The honeycomb structure inside the panels is completely flattened by the immense pressure, losing its incredible strength in an instant. We are witnessing the final moments of a magnificent flying machine, now being transformed into valuable raw materials for tomorrow. The operator skillfully uses the shear to peel back the outer composite skin, exposing the complex network of internal supports. This meticulous process ensures that no valuable metals are lost among the shattered pieces of carbon fiber and plastic debris. The sun reflects off the exposed lithium aluminum alloy, highlighting the advanced materials that made this aircraft a technological marvel. As we move closer to the cockpit, the structural reinforcements become even thicker and much more difficult to break apart. The heavy machinery groans under the immense strain as it attempts to crush the heavily armored front section of the plane. Sparks fly in every direction as the diamond blades finally manage to cut through the solid titanium window frames today. The intricate array of flight instruments and electronic systems inside the cockpit are carefully removed before the heavy demolition begins. Our team coordinates every movement perfectly, ensuring the safe and efficient dismantling of this massive technological wonder of the skies. The hydraulic shear acts like a giant pair of scissors, precisely cutting the thick metal cables and heavy structural beams. The unique combination of composite materials and advanced alloys makes the A350 one of the most challenging planes to demolish. We are constantly amazed by the incredible strength and resilience of the honeycomb panels used throughout the entire aircraft body. The deafening sound of tearing metal serves as a constant reminder of the immense power generated by our heavy excavator. Each massive chunk of debris is carefully lifted and placed into designated sorting areas for further processing and future recycling. The relentless pace of the demolition work slowly reduces the once mighty Airbus A350 into a mountain of twisted metal. The artificial diamond blades continue to perform flawlessly, easily slicing through the remaining sections of the tough composite outer shell. We are proud to play a crucial role in the sustainable recycling of these advanced aerospace materials for future generations. The complex engineering of the Airbus A350 is fully exposed as the heavy machine tears apart its internal structural framework. The operator carefully maneuvers the hydraulic arm to avoid damaging the valuable components hidden deep within the massive wing sections. The sheer scale of the destruction is both terrifying and fascinating, showcasing the ultimate battle between human engineering and machinery. The lithium aluminum alloy panels shatter into thousands of small pieces as the immense crushing force is applied to them. The dust settles slowly over the demolition site, revealing the incredible progress made by our dedicated team of experienced professionals. The hydraulic shear proves its worth once again, easily handling the toughest materials found in modern commercial passenger jet aircraft. The systematic dismantling of the A350 requires a deep understanding of its complex structural design and advanced material composition properties. We carefully separate the valuable titanium and aluminum components from the shattered composite debris to maximize the overall recycling efficiency. The massive landing gear struts are the final major components to be removed, requiring the utmost care and extreme precision. The heavy excavator struggles slightly to lift the incredibly dense metal struts, highlighting their immense weight and solid structural integrity. The artificial diamond blades easily cut through the thick hydraulic hoses and heavy steel cables connecting the massive landing gear. The final pieces of the Airbus A350 are carefully sorted and loaded onto transport trucks, marking the end of the project. This incredible demolition process demonstrates the immense power and precision required to dismantle the most advanced aircraft in the world. The successful recycling of these future materials will help pave the way for the next generation of sustainable aerospace engineering. We are constantly pushing the boundaries of heavy demolition technology to handle the increasingly complex materials used in modern aviation. The unique clanging sound of the lithium aluminum alloy will forever be associated with the challenging dismantling of the A350. The shattered honeycomb panels serve as a stark reminder of the incredible engineering that once allowed this giant to fly. Our team has successfully conquered the ultimate high-tech challenge, proving that no machine is too complex for us to dismantle. The demolition site is now completely cleared of debris, leaving behind only the memories of this magnificent flying passenger machine. We hope you enjoyed witnessing the incredible power of our heavy machinery against the advanced materials of the Airbus A350. The lessons learned from this challenging project will help us improve our demolition techniques for future high-tech aviation dismantling. The artificial diamond blades have proven to be an invaluable tool in our continuous quest to conquer the toughest materials. The successful recycling of this massive aircraft is a testament to the dedication and expertise of our entire demolition team. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the complex world of modern aviation demolition and material recycling. This has been another thrilling episode of Demolition Worker, where we destroy the past to build the future. Goodbye, everyone.